Manifesting generators have a defined sacral and a motorized center connected to the throat, giving them fast responsive energy and a powerful urge to move. Their sacral gives them sustainable life force energy, and the connection to the throat helps them move that energy into action and expression. Before moving ahead, manifesting generators benefit from visualizing what they want from start to finish to feel whether it is right for them. Even though they move quickly, manifesting generators are still designed to wait for something to respond to before taking action. Manifesting generators are designed to do more than one thing at a time, and they often thrive when they follow several interests in a responsive flow. Because they move so fast, manifesting generators need to learn patience and remember that other people may not move at the same speed.
Movement and exercise help manifesting generators wear out their sacral energy so they can get their best sleep.
Manifesting generators can simply talk about what they want, letting their expression help move energy and possibilities into the world. Satisfaction comes when manifesting generators move in responsive flow, while frustration or anger shows up when they force outcomes or meet resistance and fall out of sync with their process.